Side plank pose. Begin in downward facing dog, then shift forward into plank pose. Roll onto the outer edge of your right foot and stack your left foot on top of your right foot. You also have the option of placing the bottom knee onto the mat. Bring your left hand onto your left hip, turning your torso to the left as you do. Support the weight of your body on the outer right foot and right hand. Align your body into one long diagonal line from your heels to the crown of your head. Stretch your left arm up towards the ceiling so that it is in line with your shoulders. Keep your head neutral or gaze up at the left hand. Stay in this position for 5 cycles of breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your left hand down and return into plank pose. Repeat on the other side.